It happened. Jim and Janet bought a new RV, complete with a Winegard Air 360 Plus to pull in distant HDTV signals from any direction so they don't miss any of their favorite shows. It also keeps the family connected with high-performance Wi-Fi and 4G LTE antennas. Just add Winegard's easy-to-install Gateway router for Wi-Fi and 4G LTE functionality. Jim can easily install it himself on the RV ceiling, where the cap and pre-wire are located. Winegard's Gateway router amplifies weaker Wi-Fi signals from their RV park and adds high-performance 4G LTE for more dependable data where they're moving or parked. Use it with AT&T or Verizon data plans, or Winegard's own flexible, full-speed, unthrottled Freedom Go data plan. Control everything with a free Winegard connected app. Now, Jim, Janet, and the kids are getting away from it all and staying connected. Learn more at winegard.com/gateway.